So here's a program in Flowgrythm. Let's run it and see what it does. It's asking me what is 1 plus 1. So I'm going to put in 2. It says correct and have a nice day. I'm going to run it again. This time I'm going to put in something other than 2. And it says incorrect, have a nice day. So looking at the program, it starts at the top and goes down. Here we've got output asking the question. We have a number being declared as an integer, it's a variable. We're getting input for that number. And here we're making a decision. If the number is 2, then we output correct. If it's not 2, we output incorrect. Either way, we say have a nice day and the program ends. Here we have an equivalent program written in Java. So we have our main method and we have output asking the question, we have input taking the answer, and then we make a decision based on whether we're going to say correct or incorrect. So if the answer is true, we're going to do this. If this is not true, if the answer is not equal to 2, then we're going to do this block. And this is going to say incorrect. At the very end of the program, it still says, have a nice day. Let's run it and see how it works. So I'm going to put in 2, and it says correct. I'm going to run it again. And I'll put in -7. And it says incorrect. Example 2, we want to recreate this program in Flowgrythm. So where do we start? Well, you can start with any number of instructions. Start with the ones that are the easiest to think about, and then leave the hard stuff for the end. So right now we can tell we have output that we have to deal with, like please enter your name. And so we'll do that first. Now at this point I need to get input for the name. So I need a variable. I'm going to declare the variable and then I'll get the input. Name is going to be a string. Now that I have a name variable declared, I can get the input. And now we're making a decision. So if the name is equal to Kevin, we're going to say, hey, I know you. And otherwise, we're going to say the name and then who. So we're going to use an if to make a decision. And the decision is if name equals Kevin. If it's true, going to output, hey, I know you. If it's false, actually it's ampersand. Okay, let's give it a try, see if we have any mistakes. We'll save our work. Okay, so that worked. Try again. And so it works as expected.